Maganda tayong lahat. Magandang gabi, Stockton. Magandang araw, Pilipinas. At magandang, hindi ko alam, sa Dubai. Ang laging sabi ni Mami G Fortes, hi! Maganda tayong lahat. Lahat lang naman si Daddy.
Let's begin. It is what it is. Lady Young.
I'm Gina Baladad Fortes. Call myself Mami G Fortes. Magandang gabi, Stockton. You know what that means?
No.
Good evening, Stockton. That is a Tagalog. I'm representing Filipino community myself. And I congratulate every one of you. I just want to say, whatever the difference of you guys, unite us one in God. So everything we promise in front of us, the people of this town. I live here for almost 20 years, 2 decades, and I witnessed in front of our neighbor's house, Amanda. My neighbor was shot at their house. And we are near, and I have 2 kids. There's no before. But now, whatever your plan, here in Stockton, show and with your heart, your big heart, that I always say in my live streaming video, FB, maganda tayong lahat. And what I say is, maganda tayong lahat. We are all beautiful. And the most beautiful should be our heart. And what comes in our mouth is what is inside our heart. So, may the Lord bless us all. May the Lord bless Stockton. God bless us all. Thank you.
Mami G Fortes says, maganda tayong lahat.